Orange-breasted Green Pigeon is a medium-sized, ground-dwelling dove with a body length of about 25 centimeters. Its most distinctive features are the bright orange beak and predominantly green wings. With a body shape resembling a pigeon and colors reminiscent of a parrot, giving it a strikingly colorful and adorable appearance. Feeding on fruits and seeds from plants, it is easily recognizable in the wild. This species primarily inhabits montane forests near water sources. It is found in China, Southeast Asia, and surrounding regions. The breeding season occurs from March to May, normally with 2 eggs per clutch.